Got a new vibe with all your stuff still on your old phone? Lenovo's Clone It function makes it easy to instantly transfer all your content. With Lenovo's Share It app installed on both phones, simply switch to the Clone It function from the main interface. With Wi-Fi turned on, tap Sender on your old phone and Receiver on your new phone. Your old phone will now appear as a source. Select it. Next, choose the content that you'd like to transfer and tap Start. The transfer will begin automatically. In no time at all, you'll be ready to share with the world. And when it comes to sharing, Lenovo's unique Share It app makes it easy. Rapidly share almost anything between smart devices with no network charges at speeds up to 40 times faster than Bluetooth. Tap the Share It icon and invite others to install the app in seconds using any one of 4 convenient methods. Once installed, Share It lets your friends experience all your favorite things in a flash. With Wi-Fi turned on, simply tap the Send button and choose the files you want to share. After your friends have tapped Receive on their own devices, you're ready to send. Devices connect directly, so there's no additional network charges. Now select from nearby devices by tapping the receiver's avatar and press Start to begin sharing at rapid speed. It's that easy. Share more with the Lenovo Share It app and open yourself up to sharing music, apps, photos, videos, and more in seconds.